first and foremost, you had the opportunity to, you're right about our staff, but nobody's more capable than Lisa Perone, and she manages the day-to-day casework that happens here in our office, and why we're also deeply concerned about the proposed cuts. You only have to look at the Republican Study Commission, but everything that the Trump administration is focused on. And as you mentioned, with regard to Social Security, they've given us a pretty good glimpse about what they intend to do with Social Security and Medicare. You can't uh, indicate that you're going to find $2 trillion in cuts and not understand and know that over 70% of the federal budget is comprised of Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security, and defense. There's no way that you can find that money without going to those specific committees. And on one hand, you have Trump saying, I'm not going to touch these. And with the next breath, you have uh, Mr. Musk going on TV and talking about how we need to privatize them because we can make them more effective and more efficient. And we've seen this in the scuttling of personnel. And the rationale behind that is if they make the agencies appear that they're non-functioning and not working and not getting the service done and not being able to answer the calls and concerns of the general public, they can indicate that, well, see, these programs aren't working. We need to privatize. And I don't think we can emphasize this enough and talk about it enough because I think Trump is smart enough to recognize that there's only a short window of opportunity he's going to have to try to get through some of his bold initiatives, which at their core are to privatize Social Security and Medicare and Medicaid. So I'm delighted to be here, but we've got to get everybody to raise their voice and indicate just how vitally important these programs are to the American citizens who have come to respect them. I have nothing but admiration for the incredible work of Franklin Delano Roosevelt and Lyndon Baines Johnson in terms of providing us with the safety net that capitalism and entrepreneurialism need in order to continue to succeed and grow and expand. But it can't do so unless it's providing a guarantee for the very people who work and make the whole system work. And that's the people of the United States of America. So thank you again for uh, having me on board, and look forward to participating.